Replacing the rear shocks on a 2015 Audi Q5. First thing you want to do is get in here and release this clip and this clip so you can get access to the upper mount here in the back. Obviously the wheel's off already. These ones work by you push back these little tabs right here and then you fold this back section, this section upwards, and then it slides off. On some models you have to support the lower control arm before you do this, but on this you don't. You just take these two upper bolts off, this one and this one. I'm just going to use a 1/2 inch impact to take these out. It's 16mm socket, and yeah, that's it. Two bolts out. You can just grab this and pull down on it. Depending on how destroyed the shock is, sometimes you can push this down a lot easier. So now lift the car up, and you're going to want to use a 21mm socket to take this bolt off. So you can slide this little cover off here too if you want. The socket does fit in there, but this has to be transferred over anyways, so this little cover just comes straight off this way. Little tabs mount it back here. So, and then it's just a regular shock now. So take that bolt off, and then I'll show you the bolt out. You can just kind of collapse it a little bit. Just kind of collapse the shock, and you can pull it right out the top pretty easily. So here it is. So now you pull the cap off this on the top. This little plastic cap comes right off. You may have to use a screwdriver or something and undo the nut and just replace it like you would any other shock. One thing that's important is when you're taking this lower bolt off, make sure when you're taking this off and you're putting it back in, this washer here goes on the inside of the shock, not on the outside. So make sure you have that positioned correctly, and everything else is pretty straightforward. So that's it. Thanks for watching.